Hello guys, welcome to Twing. In this series of tutorial, you are going to learn about the topmost MCQ questions which are asked in MNC companies such as TCS, CTS, Wipro and etc. So hope everyone have a aim to join those MNC companies. And the first round of all MNC companies are those CMCQ questions. In this series of tutorials will help everyone to learn new things and the way of solving those problems. And I'm sure this video will help you for interview preparation, and let's don't waste the time and move on to the video. So here is the program and the options are given below. I will give you 10 seconds to try it yourself. If you need more time, you can pause the video and try it. Let's run the program. So output is 11. I will tell you how it came. So here the first line of the main function is, hope everyone know, x is initialized as 91, and the second line is x right shift equal to 3. It is nothing but x equal to x right shift 3. So it is an right shift bitwise operator. I will tell you the simple secret to solve this bitwise operator. It is nothing. The value of left side operator should be divided by 2 until the value of right side operator. So here left side operator is 91 and right side value is 3. So we have to divide 91 by 2 until 3 times. This is the formula. Okay. So first divide 91 by 2. It will get 45.5. So it is an integer. So it will assign as 45. Then again divide by 2. It will take 22.5. So it is an integer. Again it will take us 22. So again divide by 2. 22 by 2. It is 11. So the answer is came. So this is the next question. If anyone knows the answer, you please comment it. So if you learn something in this video, please press like button, then I can know that. And those who haven't subscribed my channel, subscribe now for new videos. Thank you and bye bye.